Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's super important but often confusing, car insurance. Whether you already own a car or are planning to buy one soon, understanding car insurance is a must. Don't worry, I'll break it down for you step by step so it's easy to understand. Let's get started. So, first things first. What exactly is car insurance? Car insurance is like a safety net. It helps protect you financially if something unexpected happens while you're driving. For example, if you get into an accident, damage your car, or even hit someone else's property, car insurance can help cover the costs. Without it, you'd have to pay for all those expenses out of your own pocket, and trust me, that can get very expensive. Now let's talk about the different types of car insurance. There are a few main ones you should know about. Liability insurance. This is the most basic type of car insurance. It covers damages or injuries you cause to other people or their property while driving. In many places, this is required by law. Collision insurance. This pays for repairs to your car if you're in an accident, no matter whose fault it was. Comprehensive insurance. This covers things like theft, fire, vandalism, or natural disasters. Basically, anything that isn't a collision. Personal injury protection, PIP. If you or your passengers get hurt in an accident, this helps with medical bills and sometimes lost wages. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. This protects you if you're hit by someone who doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough insurance to pay for the damage they caused. Now, how do you choose the right car insurance for you? Here are a few tips. Know your state's requirements. Every state has its own rules about what kind of insurance you need. Make sure you meet those minimums. Think about your budget. Higher coverage usually means higher premiums. That's the amount you pay every month. But skimping on coverage could cost you more later if something goes wrong. Shop around. Don't just pick the first option you find. Compare quotes from different companies to see who offers the best deal. Ask about discounts. Many insurers offer discounts for safe driving, having multiple policies, or even being a student with good grades. Always ask if there's a way to save money. One last thing. Always read the fine print. Some policies might not cover certain situations, like driving in another country or using your car for business purposes. Understanding what's included and excluded will save you headaches down the road. And that's it. Car insurance doesn't have to be scary or confusing. Just remember, it's there to protect you and give you peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. If you have any questions about car insurance, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.